Hello friend, welcome. So in the last video we use the UI thread to run the code like this one, right? Oh, this is our first try of socket server. This code, this is a blocking code, so when we click the button listen, right, the code arrives here. This is blocking code, so it is waiting for the connection and also blocks the UI thread. So now we cannot move any piece, is stuck. But the socket server is still running. You see, every time when we connect that, we get the data from the socket server, like this one. Yeah, every time when there is a connection coming in, right, the server will output this through the socket. Let's put this part of code in a background thread. One way to do that is that this guy, our chess controller, to implement Runnable interface. So we need to provide an implementation of a run method here, like that. Run method. Now we can move this part to here, and we'll trigger when the user click the listen button, will launch a background thread. So we can create a thread pool like that. Pool equal to executor executors dot new fixed thread pool, and I think we only need one of them. Yeah, because this is not like a huge game server internet, right? This is just a peer-to-peer connection, so we only need one background thread. Is good enough. Now let's use pool.execute Runnable. So ourself is Runnable. So the code in the run will be triggered by this line of code. Okay, so let's try it again. So this time, hopefully, by clicking this button, we don't block the UI thread. Okay, and let's try it. So clear this part, Control L, to get ready for our testing. Now run it. So click here. Oh, it's not blocked. It is not blocked. We still can make a move. You see here, and the server is listening to pod that. So let's try the server using this one. Yeah, try it again, right? And we can still move the. Oh, now it's Braxton. Okay, and this nothing is blocked, right? Cool. So here is how we run the socket server in the background. Okay, and if we put a print here, to report this thing. Okay, so SYS, let's make it more explicit, more clear. So sending move to client. Okay, let's try it again. So and clear this one and run the app. Okay, so let's launch the socket server here. Now make sure nothing is blocked, right? The UI thread is not blocked. And now let's test the socket server here. So let's try this and see local host is the address, 50,000 is the port number. You see, every time when the client triggers a connection, right, our socket server will send or move to client. Yeah, so in this video we show how to use a background thread to run the socket server so the UI thread is not blocked. Okay, cool. So thank you for watching. See you next time.